students from UiTM Shalam. So today we would like to talk about pollution. One major type of pollution that surrounds us is air pollution. The existence of dangerous material in Earth's atmosphere might be referred to as air pollution. Acid rain was mostly caused by pollutants such as sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide. Acid rain has grown to be a severe issue that can harm soil, water system, and forests. Air pollutions come from two different kinds of sources. Natural sources are the first. Pollen, dust storm, wildfire, and volcanic eruptions are commonly causes. Secondly, human activity also referred as anthropogenic sources. Anthropogenic sources can be listed as industrial emission, vehicle emission, burning fossil fuel, agricultural, and waste management. In Malaysia, major sources of air pollution occur because of vehicle emission, especially in urban densely populated areas like Kuala Lumpur. So in this video, we would like to explain more about how traffic-related air pollution has become a major concern, the effect of air pollution, and how to overcome it.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Syamsul bin Ibrahim. So I will continue to the source of air pollution. Air pollution has long been a concern, with traffic being one of the primary contributors to deteriorating air quality. Among the various sources, the growing number of motor vehicles on the road are significantly amplified pollution levels. Since the 1960s, the rapid rise in motor vehicle ownership has not only transformed global transportation system, but also brought about substantial environmental challenge. The heavy reliance on fossil fuels to power vehicles has led to an alarming increased transportation energy consumption, which directly contribute to the release of harmful pollutants into the atmosphere. Motor vehicles are responsible for emitting a wide range of pollutants that degrade air quality. Among these are carbon monoxide, nitrogen oxide, hydrocarbons, and particulate matter. Each of these pollutants plays a distinct role in harming human health and the environment. The problem becomes more severe with the increasing number of vehicles on the road. Every additional car, truck, or motorcycle contributes to the cumulative volume of emission, further intensifying the concentration of air pollutant in urban areas. This trend is especially concerning in rapidly urbanizing regions where the demand for transportation often outpaces the implementation of measures to curb emission. In many cities, traffic congestion compounds the problem as idling vehicles release pollutant continuously while waiting in long queues.
Hi, my name is Nurul Atika Hazima. So as we know, air pollution caused by pollutants such as particulate matter, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxides, carbon monoxide, and ground level ozone significantly impact various aspects of life, including human health, materials, vegetation, and community well-being. Here I will discuss the effect of air pollution. Air pollution poses severe risk to human health, particularly affecting the respiratory and cardiovascular systems. Long-term exposure to pollutants increase the risk of asthma, heart attacks, hypertension, strokes, and lung cancer. According to the World Health Organization, air pollution is responsible for 7 million premature deaths annually, with respiratory disease being a leading cause. Air pollution also affects vulnerable populations like children, the elderly, and individuals with pre-existing conditions are most affected. A case study that found is the Great Smoke of London in 1952 caused around 12,000 deaths, illustrating the acute impacts of air pollution on health. For impacts on material and infrastructure, airborne pollutants significantly damage buildings, monuments, and other infrastructure. It can cause corrosion and decay. As example, the Taj Mahal in India, where pollution has caused discoloration and structural weakening. Air pollution also affects economic costs. Maintenance costs for infrastructure increase in polluted regions due to the need for frequent repairs and cleaning. Next is impact on vegetation. Air pollution affects vegetation by impairing photosynthesis, damaging leaves, and reducing crop yields. Air pollution causes ozone damage, reduce photosynthesis, and lower productivity. Next, it can cause acid deposition like acid rains, leads to soil acidification, leaching of essential nutrients, and toxicity of plants. For example, in China, studies have shown that high air pollution levels reduce rice yields by up to 25% in some regions. Lastly, impacts on community well-being. Air pollution significantly affects the overall well-being and quality of life within communities. It can affect on health costs Due to the disadvantage of healthcare systems, developing nations face the worst financial burden of treating disease linked to air pollution. It can also cause mental health. Chronic exposure to poor air quality is linked to stress, anxiety, and depression. Communities near industrial areas or heavy traffic zones report higher rates of mental health issues. Last but not least, reduced livability. High pollution levels lead to lower life expectancy, impacting community cohesion and satisfaction. According to the case study, neighborhood advocacy groups in Los Angeles have pushed for stronger vehicle emission rules in an effort to improve public health and air quality, demonstrating how pollution can inspire.
Let's explore some practical actions that can make a significant impact. First, green infrastructure can be a game changer. Expanding urban green space such as parks and gardens can help absorb pollutants like carbon dioxide. Additionally, green walls and roofs on buildings can serve as natural air filters, reducing the amount of pollution in urban areas and cooling the city. Secondly, pollution control technologies are essential for reducing emissions. Industries can install advanced air filtration systems such as scrubbers to capture harmful emissions like sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide. Switching to electric public transportation can drastically cut down vehicle emissions, a major source of urban air pollution. Thirdly, policy reforms are critical for creating lasting change. Tightening air quality regulations and standards would push industries and vehicles to adopt cleaner technologies. For example, Malaysia could introduce incentives for developers to adopt green building practice, which would encourage more sustainable construction. Finally, community initiatives play an important role. Public awareness campaign can educate people on the harmful effects of air pollution and encourage more sustainable habits, such as using public transport or carpooling. Local communities can also take part in tree planting and gardening initiatives, which help improve air quality. By combining these strategies, which are green infrastructure, pollution control technologies, strong policies and community actions, we can create cleaner and healthier cities. These actions not only reduce pollution, but also make urban environments more livable and sustainable for everyone.